In VirtualBox, create a new VM with the following criteria. You can check pre-allocate full size for better performance, but you can leave it unchecked if you want. Configure the VM to boot from the RHEL 8 binary DVD ISO file that you downloaded earlier. Select the optical drive under the IDE controller. Then, use the CD icon drop-down menu on the right to select Choose Virtual Optical Disk File.
Let it snow, let it rain. Let it
Boot your system using the bootable installation media containing the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 binary DVD ISO.
Let it snow.
On the following screens, select your preferred language and keyboard layout to use during installation. You should now see the main screen for configuring your installation. Click Software selection under Software. We recommend that you choose Workstation on the left under Base Environment. Note that do not choose Server with a GUI as your base environment. There is a known issue that will prevent the graphical desktop from starting. Then choose Container Management, Development Tools, and Graphical Admin Tools on the right. Click Installation Destination under System. Choose the disks partitions to use for installing Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Note that if your system only has one disk and you are using the whole disk for the installation, just click Done. Next, to save memory, turn off kdump by clicking kdump under System. Then, uncheck Enable kdump. Next, configure the network and optionally set the hostname. Click Network and Hostname under System. Select your network adapter from the list, then turn the adapter on by clicking the toggle to the right of the Off button in the upper right corner. Note that if you do not enable the network adapter here, you will not have network connectivity when you boot the system. When you are satisfied with your configuration, click Begin Installation. While the installation is proceeding, click Root Password to set the root administrator password. Next, Create the regular user ID that you will use to log into the system by clicking User Creation. It is important to select Make this user administrator. This will enable sudo for your user ID. When installation is complete, click Reboot in the lower right corner.
Where to go? You've been my shelter for too long. No one else was watching us, you and me.
When you reboot into the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 installer again, just remove disk from virtual drive to eject the installation ISO.
I was in your mind, searching for lips, searching for truth. I couldn't let you go without a request or even a task.
When the system reboots, click License Information to accept the license agreement. On the license information screen, click I accept the license agreement under the text of the license. Your system needs to be registered to download software and updates from Red Hat. When you joined Red Hat Developers, a no-cost developer subscription was added to your account. Registering your system attaches it to your subscription. To register your system, click Subscription Manager. On the next screen, if you need to configure a proxy, click Configure Proxy, otherwise click Next. On the following screen, enter your Red Hat username and password. When you joined Red Hat Developers, a Red Hat account was created for you. This is the login that you use for Red Hat sites such as the Red Hat Customer Portal, access.redhat.com. Log into the system with the user ID and password you created during installation.